When a dog gets distracted in any way, shape, or form, even if they just drop their head and they're not looking at anything in particular, okay? When you get their attention back on you and they're looking at you, their brain at that moment is not fully engaged with you. It takes a full 4 to 5 seconds for their brain to catch up. Outside the ring, I stay connected to my dog, because if I'm looking at my dog and thinking about my dog, then I am not looking around and I'm not getting distracted. So we go together to command. She's sneezing there because she's just a little nervous. She doesn't like that the judge is moving in on her. She doesn't like all that stuff behind her. But because I'm connected to her, I was able to reassure her and tell her, it's okay, you're fine, keep going.